So let's get your level sway.
Okay.
Chorus.
What do
We see what's my love about? Isn't the way what seems to be? It's always not nothing you
Yeah.
Do you want those answers alone? Nothing at all. Want that stuff later?
Yeah, yeah. You guys just sing that the way I may depart from you a little bit.
Okay.
Just as you know,
maybe I should be covering it.
maybe.
Then when you leave melody.
Then when I leave,
go
yeah,
in.
yeah. I wouldn't do that till the very end, but yeah.
Okay. So with Michael, Dustin, put Mike on the left and put me on the right. But not full hard right, but like right center. Yeah.
And Justin, for me, you could maybe just bring my lead vocal up a tad, you know.